Hi! In front of me is TCL 30, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. Start by opening settings. Then you need to select display over here and click on the switcher next to adaptive brightness. As you can see, auto brightness is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same switcher. You can also go into tab menu, look for brightness icon and click on it. If you can see A in this little sign over here, that means that auto brightness is on. In order to turn it off, click on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!